This is the Circadian Optics Light Therapy Lamp. This is UV-free and sometimes referred to as the Happy Mood Lamp. This is great when the seasons change, and it's also great to use at work and at home too. It's perfect when there's not a lot of light during the day. Sunlight is essential. It regulates our bodies and our mood too. And when there's not enough light during the day, sometimes they call it a gloomy day. And you can see why. And since a lot of us are spending a lot of times indoors, it's good to have extra light. And this is where this comes in. This light therapy lamp is supposed to mimic the natural colors of daylight. And it's very stylish and fashionable to use at your home or at your office too. And you can use it two different ways. You can open it like this, and then there's settings here that you can turn it high, medium, low, and then off. You can also rotate the lamp like this and use it this way. High, medium, low, and off. They say you should have this about 18 inches away from your face and not look at it directly. They advise for you to consult a physician before first use, so you know approximately how long you should use the light therapy. This LED light is long-lasting and should last approximately 50,000 hours. They say you should use this in the mornings because if you use it in the evenings, it may disrupt your sleep. This was featured on Shark Tank too. I was sent this from Circadian Optics to evaluate and for me to give my opinion, and I really like it, and I hope you do too. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.